Good morning. Bit of a chilly morning this morning. Quite a bit of dew. It was kind of foggy this morning, so combining won't be getting underway for the next few hours. But we do have grain to dry, so first things first, I'm going to unload the dryer and get a new batch going. So this is actually pretty cool for me. Kind of a bucket list thing. I've never baled before. So a friend of mine there who's baling this straw behind our combines, they don't work on Sunday, so it looks like we're supposed to be getting rain tonight. And it's ain't a very big field. I think it's about 70 acres now, and we're only dropping straw behind the one combine, so only can be about 35 acres max of straw. So I told Buddy, I said, if you don't mind, I'd like to take the old baler out and give it a shot myself, because I've never baled before. And he said, yeah, go at her. So I'm out here now. I probably made like 8 bales. Pretty excited about that. So anything ag related pretty much is a good time for me. So they finished up this piece. They're gonna go try another one now. This stuff was a little tough. This is the last barley we seeded, actually, so it was a bit green, but we already got the dryer going. This wasn't that great of a crop anyways, so we may as well just pick it up. It's supposed to rain pretty good tonight and all day tomorrow, so I thought it would be nice if we could get the straw baled up and this last piece done before the rain.